The aviation plug connects 3 live wires L1, L2, L3 and neutral wire N. Start the auxiliary engine, flip the power switch up. Then power on the main unit to enter the operation interface. Enter password 123 and press OK to enter the operation interface. Click Calibration Information to set the calibration coefficient. For a 300-ton jack, enter 300T. Then press Confirm ton is replaced by T. Then enter the corresponding calibration coefficients in the A1 and A2 lists according to the calibration coefficient of the jack. Since it is equipped with a 1 drive to jack, you only need to enter the corresponding coefficients in columns A1 and A2. No input is required in the B1 and B2 fields. After input is completed, click Save. Click Select to display the set 300T calibration coefficient at the top of the screen. Finally, click Back and then enter System Settings. The coefficients on the left are factory default values, and the initial displacement values for a 1 and a 2 are both defaulted to 10 mm. It will stop automatically when the displacement reaches 10 mm. When setting the tensioning level, the tensioning percentage and holding time can be configured as required by your project department. However, the primary tensioning value must be twice the initial value, and the third level tensioning value must be twice the second level value. The holding time can be set per project requirements. Click Restore Factory Settings if unsure. Click Return to Home, then click Tensioning Parameters to enter the new interface. Enter the corresponding information for beam type selection, beam name, pouring date, and beam number. Names can be replaced with abbreviated letters. For example, box girder can be abbreviated as XC. After entering the information, click Confirm. Then click New Task and create the corresponding total items based on the number of ducts. For example, if there are 6 ducts, click the New Task button 6 times in sequence to create 6 tasks. Locate the first task, enter the duct number, tension force, and elongation for the first task. Enter the duct numbers in sequence. For example, set the first and second ducts as N1 and N2, and so on. Then enter the corresponding parameters in the tension force and elongation fields respectively. After input is completed, click to proceed to the next task. Enter N2 in the duct number field, then input tension force and elongation parameters separately. After input is completed, continue to click to enter the next task, and so on until the parameters for all 6 ducts have been completely entered. Finally, click Save then back to return to the main page. Then click on Tensioning Parameters to enter the new interface. Click on First Tensioning to select the first duct for tensioning. Click Load Data. When Start Tensioning turns green, tensioning may begin. Click Start Tensioning to begin, and the tensioning interface will pop up. Tensioning data changes with progress. If deviation rate to low appears during tensioning, click OK to ignore. Use this method to tension the 6 box girder ducts one by one. Tensioning completes and stops automatically. Click Save History. Check the data one by one corresponding to each duct number. Data is usually saved automatically. If data is unsaved, click back to return to the original page. Click Enter Tension Interface and then View Current Record. Click Save Data manually, then Confirm Save. If an emergency occurs during tensioning, press the Emergency Stop button immediately. After danger elimination, rotate the button right to restart. Insert a USB flash drive to copy tensioning data. Click Save History and enter the export range in the Range to Export field. If the number of tension ducts is from 0 to 10, enter 0 and 10 here respectively. Click Export Data to USB disk to export the selected data. Data exported successfully will pop up upon successful export. Click Confirm and remove the USB flash drive. Insert the USB flash drive to view and modify tensioning data. Extract the compressed package from the USB drive to the desktop. Double-click to install the Intelligent Tensioning System. Install the system driver after installation. Install the 64-bit or 32-bit driver based on your computer configuration. Double-click to complete installation. Double-click to launch the Intelligent Tensioning System after installation. Click Import and then select Device Parameters. Then select any tonnage, for example, 100T in this dialog box. Click Select and check the USB flash drive data. Select Import and click Confirm to import all tensioning data. Select Tensioning Records, choose the files, then click Export. In this demo, select Desktop as export location and click Save. After exporting, close the dialog box. The two saved files will appear on the desktop.